if you have a Bank of America business account and you need to give your accountant or bookkeeper access, this video will show you exactly how to do it safely and securely without sharing your login credentials. Now, let's jump into the setup. The first step from the main screen is to hover over the Business Services tab. Under Business Services tab, you will see an option that says Add New Users. Click on that, and then go ahead and add the person's first name, the last name, and user. The user is something that you have to make it up yourself. Okay, so you can use your accountant's firm name or a number or anything. It doesn't really matter. Create the password. Okay. The email. Enter your accountant's email. Okay, and continue. So at this point, so that you know, your accountant will not receive an email. Okay, so the access is there, but you have to make sure that they have access to every account that you need them to have access to. And to do that, you're going to go to Accounts and Services. As you can see, here is the main checking account. It says no access, and here is the credit card. It says no access. So you have to manually go into it and see and say manage access, allow this user to access this account. Yes. View statements. Statements may contain other account information. Check images. Yes. View check images. Yes, you want them to be able to see check images, I believe, right? For the most part, so that if there's a check made out to somebody, they can actually click on the transaction and see the check. So you need to select this one. And the next one, I will advise you to just leave it unchecked unless your accountant is handling payments directly. But for the most part, an accountant will not need access to transfer funds between accounts or to other financial institution. So just leave this unchecked and leave this option, limited access to bill pay, also unchecked. All right, and hit continue. So now they have view access. They should have view access. It says pending because they, at this point, they have not accepted or they have not processed the their username setup yet. And then this is the credit card. If you want them to have access to the credit card as well, check mark this option right here, and then view statements. Statements may contain accounts and other checking images. Yes, select this so that they can have access to download the statements from the credit card as well, if they do need access to that. And you click on save, and that should be it. So once you do this, remember, you still need to send them this information, the user ID. They will not receive this information from Bank of America. All right. So you need to let them know, hey, I gave you access and I used this user ID and I used this email. This is how you get access to your account, to your Bank of America account. It's very important to click on this after you're finished so that you can give them access to the accounts that you need them to have access to. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video.